Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Thank you for joining me in another tutorial. Today it is time for one more exercise in Elementor world. Again, let's use our previously gathered knowledge in order to create this. I'm presenting you the pricing tables, which are very important for every website for sale. In our case, we have fictional hosting company and they are providing 3 different packages. So we have 3 pricing tables with different prices, pictures, names, and feature. Only I have copied this text 2 times, so you are welcome to put your own text here. I have very nice box shadow animation on hover for every pricing table. If you watch this tutorial, I'm going to show you something new. It is how you can create this orange shape here. It is called shape divider. And I'm going to show you how you can target specific part of your inline text, just like this 99 here. Enough talking. I want to save your time, so you are welcome subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell. You will be notified about new tutorials right away. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's move this window on my other screen. Let's make new section with 3 columns and set the margin top 50 pixels to make some room here and there. Okay, in first column, I'm going to add the inner section and I want to delete 1 column. On this section, I'm going to add the shape divider. Let's click here on 6 dots in inner section, go to style, click on shape divider, and here let's choose top and type. For type, let's use curve. For color, I'm going to use my primary color, and for width, let's type 100, and for height 103. This is our shape divider. Okay, let's set the responsiveness part for each of these sections right away. So click here on responsive mode and check the tablet. And for tablet, let's use 124 width and 74 height. And now let's add the text editor inside on this inner column. In this text part, let's copy our text. This is our text for first pricing table, and it is very important to paste it here in text tab, not in visual, because in CSS I'm going to target this class here. It is very important, and this is the second trick. Okay, now let's update our work. Okay, and let's exit to dashboard, because in customizer I want to add a little chunk of CSS. Okay guys, here is the customizer, and there I want to paste this CSS here. So you can see that I targeted the table money class, and I add font weight bold to bold this 99 and to enlarge this font size on 32 pixels. Okay, here it is very important that you have the child theme for your website, for your theme activated, because when you update your parent theme, those updates will override your CSS code. If you don't know how to install child theme, I will be linked the tutorial about it. The link will be right here, and I'm using the Ocean WP theme. Okay, click here on publish to save our work, and let's go to our Elementor. So our Elementor page for editing the pricing tables. Let's refresh it. And here we have our price for first table. Click on this edit text editor, and in style, let's center it and change the color. We need the white, pure white color, and change the font. Our font will be Montserrat with 18 pixels. Okay, here is our pricing. And here let's target this icon here to edit column, inner column. And I want that, this shadow, border shadow here. So click there, click on style, and in border, click here. And now we have our shadow. Okay, now let's go and edit the image element beneath our text and choose the first one is this icon, pencil here. Okay, now let's go on style and change width for desktop size to be 30 pixels. Not pixels, 30%. Okay, now let's go on tablet and change width to be 50 pixels, and for mobile again set it to 30 pixels. Also, let's add some margin. For example 100 for top and 60 pixels for bottom. Okay, now let's add the heading right here, and let's add the first name for our pricing table. Personal package. Okay, we don't need to center it. Let's go on style. The primary color is here. Now for typography, let's go and change our font again to be Montserrat, 34 pixels and 500 for weight. Okay, now let's add the padding, left and right, 40 pixels. Not left and right, just left, 40 pixels. Okay, let's set the responsiveness. For tablet it is 000, and for mobile it is left 40. Okay, let's go on desktop preview, and here let's add the text editor beneath this heading, and let me copy our text there, go on style and change the typography again to be Montserrat, 16 pixels with 400 in weight. Let's add the padding, 40 pixels left and right. Let's go on tablet, nullified, and for mobile only 40 pixels left. Okay, now it is time to add our list icon. In search widget, type list and add our list icon. Okay, our list icon, it has 4 items. This is the first one. Let's copy it and set the text for second one. Also the third one. And here is the fourth. Okay, now let's go on style, and for icon let's choose the secondary color. Actually the size is 14 pixel, and for text here let's add in typography, let's change the font, Montserrat, 16 pixels, 400 in weight. Okay, now let's add the padding. It is 40 pixels for left. Let's change it on tablet size right away, and for mobile just like this. You see? Okay, now we need to add the buttons. Let's add our button. Let's copy our text here. In alignment, let's click on justify, and for size let's choose the large. In style, First, let's change the font family, and background color will be our primary orange color. And set the hover animation. See, on hover, nothing's happened. And here, let's add the hover animation to be push. See. Okay. Now, save our work so far. Let's add the hover box shadow on this pricing table. Click here on edit column for the first column in our section. Here, in style for border, check the hover and change and set the box shadow just like this. Okay, now it is time to remove the margin. Click here. Actually, click here on this edit column for inner column in our first column. You see? Click on advance. Oh, not here. Click here on edit inner section. And there type 0. See? Now it is much better. With this, we removed our space here. Okay. Now, and we have one more thing. Let's copy this. Click here and click on duplicate and delete this one. Now we need to change our pricing, our price. So don't change it in visual tab. You need to click on text and here change it. Okay. Now let's change the icon. Now let's click on our section on these 6 dots and let's make a little bit room between those tables here and there. In layout, choose for column gaps, extend. Okay, and one more thing for mobile screen. Here we need to make a little bit more space between middle column and first and last. So check this middle column and in padding, let's add 60 pixels for top and bottom. Now we have more space. Click on update. Okay, let's click on preview. Ta-da! This is our pricing tables. Okay, and it is mobile responsive. This is for tablet preview. Here you can make a little bit larger this orange shape. If you click here, go to style and click shape divider and change the height a little bit, for example. Okay. One more thing, you can add the line height for text in those buttons. And let's see the mobile view. Everything looks good. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. Down there in the description, I will link other episodes for Elementor elements. In our tutorials, so far we covered all basic elements and most of general elements. Again, try to do this exercise on your own. It will be a very good test to see what you have learned so far. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell for more upcoming videos just like this one. Thank you for watching me and see you next time. Bye bye.